Okay guys, I gotta replace the well water pump because the old one burned out. So never did this before, but I'm gonna have to learn how to do it one day, right? So okay, let's see what I could do. Rusted. Well, I got the piece in. It wasn't easy, but we got it in, and the power's on. Power is back on. Now I just got to connect. Now I just got to connect the pipings, which is connect this one to this one to that one. So we'll see how it goes, right? So I'm almost there. We had to refit all these pipings. So long story short, look at all these crazy ass pieces of jumbleness. So this is a well 1 horsepower jet shallow well pump, which is hard to retrofit because nothing's fitting together. But yet I gotta figure it out and make sure I do this, because if not, there's no water. So okay, I'll show you guys when I'm done, because I can't work and film at the same time. Went to Home Depot or Lowe's and got this extension for this one for that side, and I gotta put the pressure gauge in. Still at it. Can't give up. Even though it's driving me crazy. It's a good learning experience though. It's one thing I learned about. It's one thing about these things. You just learn as you go, and hopefully you don't mess up that much, Hopefully you don't mess up that much. Look at what this lady doing right now. You caught her? Caught her. She went night hunt. She went night hunt. Sandra went night hunt. Jesus. This is difficult. I don't know if you guys see it or not, but I guess I just did that right there. And then I gotta connect this one, cut this one up. So we'll see how we go as we go. Measurement. You don't cut nothing that you gotta measure first. So give or take, This is what you call not a doozy, not a doozy, not a doozy, not a doozy. Woo. Okay. Wow. That was something else, something else. Sometimes when I do stuff, it's like I know what I'm doing, but yet I don't know what I'm doing. You know? I know what I'm doing, but yet I don't know what I'm doing. It's hard for me to explain. Have I done this before? I answered no. And my wife asked me, do I know how to do this? I told her no. I go, and she's like, wouldn't it be better if we call professional? I go, yeah. You know, $2,000 with, and I told her it's gonna cost her $2,000, and she goes, you know what? You should learn how to do stuff. Which I don't want it, but yeah, I mean it is. This kind of work right here required. I wouldn't use the word expensive, but yeah, you know what? Let's not beat around the bush. It's expensive to call in somebody to do this for you. You know? And I'm not saying it's easy, but I'm not saying it's impossible, because I already like to tinker around already. It's just that I have to. So before I came in and even attempt to do this, I studied. I researched it. I studied about the water pump system. I studied about the how well works and stuff like that. So, and then I studied about installation. And so that's how I installed these things, because I studied it. So I wasn't afraid too much of messing it up or effing it up. And if I did, then I did, right? Then I just have to cough up that $2,000 and let the installer man come. But long story short, I got it done. Gotta redo this one. Just like the outcome of this. Clean it really well. See how it goes, right? See if this works out or not. Wish me luck, because I gotta prime it. This is called priming. So priming is like you put water in this thing right here. So you gotta prime it on this thing right here. It's called priming your well. So when I turn it on, I gotta put water.
Good job, Sadie. This way. Good girl. Good girl.
Oh, I got you the good thing.